Let me guess, your dog goes absolutely nuts when someone comes to the door. Jumping, barking, spinning in circles, total excitement overload. It used to be the same in my house. But here's the thing, dogs aren't trying to be bad. They're just overwhelmed and excited. The good news? You can train them to stay calm. And I'll walk you through exactly how I did it. Jumping on guests usually comes from excitement, lack of impulse control, or simply not knowing how they should greet people. For some dogs, it's about attention because even yelling or pushing them away can feel like a reward. Understanding this helps us fix it without frustration. Before you even think about opening the door, prep your environment. I like to have my dog on a leash before guests arrive. This gives me a way to guide behavior without a wrestling match. I also keep high-value treats nearby, something they really love. That way, I'm ready to reward the calm behavior I want. Here's the step-by-step I used. 1. Leash your dog before the doorbell rings. You want control from the start. 2. Ask for a sit or down before the guest comes in. If they can hold it, reward them. 3. As the guest enters, watch your dog's body language. If they stay seated, amazing. If they break position or try to jump, your guest should immediately pause or turn away. 4. That lack of attention teaches your dog. Jumping gets them nothing. 5. Once your dog resets and offers calm behavior again, reward and praise. Consistency is key. You may need to repeat this over a few sessions, but it works. And fast. Now, here's what not to do. Don't push your dog off when they jump, it feels like play. Don't yell, it usually amps them up more. And don't let guests pet or greet them while they're excited. Every reward should be tied to calm energy. Your dog isn't going to get it right the first time, or maybe even the 5th, but you'll see progress if you're consistent. Try to set up practice runs with family or friends acting as guests. Repetition builds confidence for both you and your dog. It took about a week of short, daily sessions for my dog to go from jumping like a kangaroo to sitting calmly while guests walked in. The transformation is seriously rewarding, and it makes your home so much more peaceful. So, if you're dealing with a jumping dog, don't give up. A few consistent changes go a long way. Follow along for more real-life dog training tips that actually work without yelling, punching.